guys, I'm Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have a Vellabox for you. This is a candle subscription box and it is $10 a month if you want one 4-ounce candle, that's with $3 shipping. Or if you want an 8-ounce candle, it's $20 a month plus $3 shipping. Or you can get 2 candles for $30 a month and free shipping. Plus you always get a little extra bonus item in your boxes. Okay, so this month, Lustre Bloom is the company that they've used. Every time it's a different one, and they're always all natural, beautiful, lovely, wonderful candles. So let's see, my 8-ounce is sugared citrus, notes grapefruit, mandarin, and lemon, and it is a soy candle, hand poured in Denver. Oh my gosh, it smells amazing. Definitely smells like, you know, sweet citrus, not just like lemon or orange. What did it say? Grapefruit, mandarin, and lemon. Yeah, that smells good. I like that a lot. Very clean, fresh, but also a lot of sweetness to it. I like that. Okay, and then the 4-ounce is Peony Bouquet with notes of magnolia, violet, water lily, peony, and freesia. I don't like this one. This one is very floral, and I'm just not into floral scents. I can imagine somebody else liking this, so I'm just gonna save this and give it away as a gift to somebody, you know, because just because I don't like it doesn't mean that they won't like it. I'm gonna put it in this adorable little bag that it came in, and pop! Isn't that a great little gift to give somebody? And then this is the little add-on, which is a produce baggie. I mean, you could use it for whatever, but you know, you take it to the farmer's market or the grocery store with you and throw your produce in here. It's smallish, but you know, still a good size, and I like the netting. It's cloth. I've had some that were made from like nylon or something, just like dust flying in the air from this. But anyway, I love reusable bags like this, so this is awesome. Darling, isn't it? Vellabox is a lovely subscription box if you like candles. I think this is awesome, and I'm loving this sugared citrus smell. This is so nice. And like I said, you know, if there is one that you don't like, candles always make great gifts, you know, even if it's just something that you throw in like a basket with other stuff or something like that, right? You know? Okay, so anyway, like I said, everything will be in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!